Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Students, as you all know that in our previous class I have assigned you the task that you have to revise grammar skills pages. So now it's time to revise those pages. Today the pages that we will revise, that will be grammar skill page number 91, 92 and topic will be subordinate clause. So let's start our exercise, let's start our practice. Underline the subordinate clause and do tell it is an adverbial clause of reason, purpose, result or comparison. Mrs. Carter arranged a carpool so that she did not have to drive her daughter to school every day. It is an adverbial clause of purpose and you will underline from so that to every day. So that she did not have to drive her daughter to school every day. You will underline it. There will be a fire drill tomorrow so that you will all be prepared for an emergency. It is an adverbial clause of purpose and you will underline from so that to emergency. In order for the games to be a success, the committee began planning months ahead. You will underline from in order to months ahead and it is an adverbial clause of reason. Since you do not want to be friends with me, I won't invite you to my party. It is an adverbial clause of reason and you will underline from since to party. The concert was better than I expected. It is an adverbial clause of comparison and you will underline from better to expected. We left early for the theatre so that we would be sure to get a seat. It is an adverbial clause of purpose and you will underline from so that to a seat. Seventh one, the principal banned us from playing tag games because he was worried about safety. It is an adverbial clause of reason and you will underline from because to safety. Number 8, the surf was so dangerous that the beach had to be closed. It is an adverbial clause of result and you will underline from the beach to closed. You must exercise every day in order to stay healthy. It is an adverbial clause of purpose and you will underline from in order to healthy. Number 10, that fat girl eats less than I do. It is an adverbial clause of comparison and you will underline from less to do. As you do not seem interested in going to the concert, I have cancelled the tickets. It is an adverbial clause of reason and you will underline from as you do not seem to tickets. You will underline the whole sentence. Number 12, so that she could enjoy the spring weather, Jane read her book outside in the garden. It is an adverbial clause of purpose and you will underline from so that she could enjoy the spring weather. You will underline the whole sentence from so that to garden. Number 13. She could not help laughing because Ted looked so comical when he fell. It is an adverbial clause of reason and you will underline from because to fell. Number 14. My brother does not like reading as much as I do. It is an adverbial clause of comparison and you will underline from as much as I do. Number 15. He behaved so badly that his parents swore never to take him out again. It is an adverbial clause of result and you will underline from his to again. I won't bother you with on the details as I am sure they will bore you. It is an adverbial clause of reason and you will underline from as to you. As to you. Okay students, so question number 1 is now completed. So now let's move on next exercise. And next topic that we will revise today, it is relative pronouns. Grammar skill page number 93, relative pronouns. Okay, let's start practice. Question is, complete the following sentences by using relative pronouns. That girl over there is my friend. She helps me when I have difficulty with my schoolwork. When you will put the relative pronoun, the sentence will be like this. That girl over there is my friend who helps me when I have difficulty with my schoolwork. When you will put relative pronoun and when you will use relative pronoun, you have to remove this full stop and you have to remove this pronoun also, she. And instead of she or instead of she, you will put relative pronoun who, and you will have to remove this full stop. I bought chocolates instead of a sandwich. That did not please my mother. I bought chocolates instead of a sandwich, comma, you will have to remove this full stop and then you will remove that and you will write which, W-H-I-C-H, which did not please my mother. This is a dog. It followed me home last night. This is the dog. You will remove this full stop and you will also remove this. You will also remove it. And instead of it, you can use that and which both. Any one of them, you can use that and also you can use which. This is a dog that or which followed me home last night. That lady is my teacher. Her uncle is a well-known scientist. When you will change it, that lady is my teacher, you will remove this full stop and also you will remove her. And you will write, that lady is my teacher whose uncle is a well-known scientist. Jack found a wallet. It had been reported stolen. Jack found a wallet. Then you will remove this full stop and also you will remove it. Jack found a wallet that had been reported stolen. My father's vintage car was purchased by a man. The man really appreciates artifacts of the past. My father's vintage car was purchased by a man. Then you will remove this full stop and you will also remove the man. And instead of the man, you will use who as a relative pronoun. My father's vintage car was purchased by a man who really appreciates artifacts of the past. Number 7. I choose to stay home and read a novel. I borrowed it from the library yesterday. I choose to stay home and read a novel. You can use any one of them. You can use two relative pronouns in this sentence, that or which. Any one of them you can use that or which instead of I. Okay, I choose to stay home and read a novel. I choose to stay home and read a novel. That or which. I borrowed which I had borrowed from the library yesterday. In this sentence, you will not remove I. Instead of removing I, you will remove it, because according to a novel, we have to choose a relative pronoun. So, the pronoun that is using for novel in this sentence, it is it. So be careful about it. Don't remove I. Okay, it is not using it is not a pronoun of novel. Okay, according to the novel we have to choose the relative pronoun. So I choose to stay home and read a novel that or which I borrowed from the library yesterday. We will remove it here. The clumsy waitress slipped and fell. She was carrying a tray of drinks. The clumsy waitress slipped and fell. Then you will remove this full stop and she, and instead of she you will use who. The clumsy waitress slipped and the clumsy waitress slipped and fell. Who was carrying a tray of drinks? Okay, students, today's our two topics of revision is now completed. First, we have revised the subordinate clauses, and second subordinate clause, and second we have revised the relative pronouns. Okay, now it's time to assign you the home task, and what you have to do, you have to learn, you have to read. You have to read unit number 7, searching, chapter number 4, the red rooster, page number 159 and 160 from textbook. Okay. Okay, students, have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.